Hey, this is Brad with BGS. Are you thinking about adding recurring revenue to your ecom store? If so, don't overlook this one essential element when creating a recurring revenue plan. Okay, I'm Brad with BGS. I'm a revenue optimization expert with BGS. I help our clients grow and scale their business, and I'm also an instructor and coach with our e-commerce business blueprint, which is our beginner's level course that we have. Okay, so recurring revenue should be a key consideration of your ecom business. But there's one essential element that is often overlooked, and that is being 100% laser focused on eliminating and reducing all risk to your customer. Okay, if you're asking a customer to subscribe to something, that is even more risk than just ordering a product because it is a commitment for the customer. So you need to answer any questions that they have, like right off the top. Okay, and you can do this with infographics, with your product copy, with videos, with your images, just a lot of ways to do that. You just need to answer all their questions. You should anyway with any products, but even more so when you're asking for any kind of commitment. Now, even if it's a subscribe and save, like if you're doing supplements, right, you need to answer any concerns about what do I do about canceling or pausing or switching products or upgrading or downgrading, anything like that need to address. Okay, so this site is Mystery Tackle Box from shopcarls.com. They do over, I think, 150,000 monthly subscriptions. Okay, and if you look here, they have their headline, Mystery Tackle Box, free shipping, so that's a UVP, and cancel anytime. You may change species anytime, so their species is essentially a product variant. Okay, so, also, right below their, the type of box and the price, they've got regular, pro, and elite. They have cancel or upgrade anytime, cancel or change anytime, cancel or downgrade anytime. They have a picture of the box and its components, and also a UVP or UVP badge on the image for free shipping. And again, right below, change species anytime. Again, that's their variant that they have. Okay, they've got their variants or species, and they also have, in addition to monthly, they've got 3, 6, and 12-month plans with additional savings the more that you commit. Okay, and then below that, they have a little graphic here. Why subscribe? Again, for UVP icons, they've got reviews, including a Trustpilot rating with 7,145 reviews. Okay, and then they've got copy with their branding, with their Carl, who's kind of their mascot. Okay, in contrast, we have this one, which is a Shirt of the Month Club. Okay, but they have this disclaimer right below their bullets. Monthly subscription members agree to a 7-month commitment or will be charged a $25 early cancellation fee. Okay, that is a policy that is not customer-centric, as a company-centric policy. Okay, how would you feel if you went on a site like this and you've never even received a product and you're agreeing to a 7-month commitment right off the top, and if you cancel before that 7-month commitment, you're charged a $25 fee. They can get away with it a bit because of their strong brand and loyal following. However, I would bet you that they're just leaving money on the table from people that, are not going to even consider that. There's probably people that they may even lose sales just from regular items on that on their site from this. Okay, so remember, make your policies, and in general, with your site overall, make your policies as customer friendly as possible and not company, because at the end of the day, it's about them and not you. Okay, in contrast, you look at a site like Stitch Fix, and they send the products out and they send a prepaid mailer, and you return anything that you don't want and only pay for the items that you keep. Okay, total opposite of this, where all the risk, it pretty much eliminates 99% of the risk for the customer. and it puts all the risk on the company. And they're a $1 billion company. Okay, so they're doing very well. Okay, so again, just to recap, if you're doing continuity, and really everybody should, even if it's like a digital product like a newsletter of the month or something like that, if you're doing continuity, the number one thing that you need to really focus on is eliminating all the risk to your customer, and that's by providing clarity and answering any questions that they have just up front. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if so, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you would like assistance building, growing, or scaling your business, make sure you go to www.workwithbgs.com and we can help you build, grow, and scale. That's it. I'll see you next time.